woman of mine. Yeah. Hey, I tried so hard to get along with that woman of mine. But seemed the harder I tried, the more she walked round, she knew like this is how it went, boys. I walked it down from Dallas, Texas, down to Wichita Falls, thinking about the big leg woman. When no walking on, I believe my baby got a black cat bone. Seems like everything I do, turn out wrong. Come on, boys, take it. Whoa. Turn out wrong.
Absolutely brilliant.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah, fantastic. Best audience in town. Best audience in the last couple of hours, isn't it?
This next one is a little bit more up to date. There's a band around from Scotland called Kinky, and this is one of their songs, and we recently added it to our repertoire, and it's called A Long History of Love. Just one more day, make my troubles seem so far away. There's a light in my life, oh Lord, and it's telling me, don't worry, gonna be alright. Long history of love, taking its toll on me now. Long history of love, make me a better man somehow. For the rest of my days, I stare at my heart and I only see your face. When I'm down on my knees in pain, I'm praying you reach out and save me once again. taking its toll on me now. Long history of love make me a better man somehow. Every day, every way, feels like I'm walking through the driving rain. With every step I take, there's a voice inside my head, and it's saying, live for another day. I can feel your heart beating close to mine. And when life gets you down sometimes, I look in your eyes and I know it's gonna be just fine. A long history of love taking its toll on me now. Long history of love made me a better man somehow. Long history of love taking its toll on me now.